there for now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm seeing Lincoln. House right there in the front bedroom on the right side of the house. If you were looking at the house.
I didn't know you guys big old head.
Hey, bedroom on the right of the house.
Front bedroom on the right side of the house.
It should be 2 down, right? It's 11-14, right?
Suspect.
Your car running. I think that might have been his car. He came running from this one.
You want to clear this car?
Today on scene at Lincoln, caller was not sure where father is with the gun.
We have contact with 01 in the call.
Hey, show your hands! Show your hands, please!
He's on Baker at 2247.
Put your hands out the window! Hey, hey! I got a gun! Hey! Fuck you! Fuck you! I got a gun to my goddamn man! Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Rifle here.
Yep, on you. Hey, drop the gun! No! Fuck you! Just drop it, man. My goddamn house! What's going on, man? Talk to me! My goddamn house! Talk with me! Talk with me! Talk with me, man! I'm not ready to do it! Daniel! Stand the fuck down! Turn your fucking lights off! Hey, drop the guns! Hey, drop the gun, man! Do me a favor, drop it for me, man. No. Drop it for me, man. No. Please. Don't do this, man. Don't do it. Daniel, my name's Jacob. Daniel. Daniel, my name's Jacob, man. Oh. My name's Jacob. What? Turn your goddamn lights. What's going on? What's going on, Daniel? What's going on? Tell me, man. What's going on? Talk with me, man.
Come on, Daniel, please.
I don't want you to do this, man.
Hey, boys, let's back up. Let's slowly back up. It's just him.
Your lights off,
Just him.
Turn them off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
I'm going to go across. I got you. Go.
Get it. Hey, Daniel, my name. Turn it off. Daniel, my name's Jacob, okay? Turn it off. My name's Jacob, man.
Get them out of the house.
Hey.
Get them out of the house.
Turn it off! Hey, talk with me, man! Turn it off! Talk with me! Fucker! I tell you what, turn it off! You drop the gun, I'll turn my light off. Okay? You turn it off. Drop the gun, I will. Turn it off. No, you turn it off. You drop the gun. I'm not going to put it on you. Turn it off. Dang, man. Turn it off. What's going on?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get the mother's spraying out of the house. She's in my phone. Son voice now. I can't get her.
I'll turn one light off, but I got you going on.
How do you want to get them out?
Put the lights down. Is that better? Put the lights down. Is that better?
Right to the front door. I'm right here.
Info.
Daniel, come on, Daniel. Put it down.
You're doing good, boys. You're doing good.
Hey.
629 to all units. Listen carefully. I'm going to go around to the full side of the house to clear them up. I can't get around.
Tell me why. What's going on? What's going on, man?
some other units on the other side of Lincoln to stop all traffic. We want all traffic shut down on Lincoln, please.
We need all traffic shut down on Lincoln, and the mother's friend is coming to the door now. The caller said she's staying in her room. Do you want her out as well?
629. I want everyone out of this house now. Come on.
Got it.
My daughter.
Okay, it's okay. Go that way.
My daughter.
Go that way. $629, be advised, I am in the house.
Take on, Baker. Take on.
Drop the gun! Fuck! Show me EMS code 3, shots fired. Yep. Huh? Yes.
I got you.
Hello, I shot out of his hand.
I'm telling him it's okay to approach.
This is what I'm
Stop. Find it.
I shot it out of his hand. He went flying.
Right here. No, it's nothing good, nothing good.
Got it.
No, it's not it.
My hand.
It's probably underneath it. I gotta turn it here. Hey, cut it off. Hey, give me shears.
Hold on, moving.
Where's he hit?
In his wrist.
Hitting the wrist.
Okay.
Guns right here.
All right, keep it. Step on it.
629, go ahead and cancel tones just so it cuts out on the chaos. Start at 620, please.
20 to the location, please.
Come on, Daniel, stay with us, okay, buddy?
So I want to die.
No, buddy, no, you don't.
That's not good.
You okay?
Sorry, we're trying to let you know.
It's okay.
Good?
I was trying to get the girl out and he came
You're
in.
good? Are you good? You might be shot. I'm trying to shoot them all.